Hello, good morning, everybody. Today we will learn a story. I will tell you a story. A story name is A Bell for Cat. Before starting this story, I want to make you understand about this chapter one thing. Look here, it is written here fables. What is this? Fables. And what is a fable? There are many stories in which animals talk like human beings. So such stories are called fables. You watch cartoon. What do you see in the cartoon? The animals talk like human, like us they talk. Actually, they can't talk like us, but in a story we see that they talk like us. That kind of the story is called fables. Okay? Aesop was a famous storyteller. Aesop was a famous storyteller. You know storyteller? As I'm telling you a story. So there was one person, his name was what? Aesop. And he lived about 2600 years ago in Greek. My God, you understand? 2600 years ago in Greek. He was from Greek and he was a storyteller. He wrote many stories in which animals talk. Okay, these stories are known as Aesop's fables. Means there was one person whose name was what? Aesop, and he was from Greek, and he wrote many stories in which the animals were talking in like a human being. And in which story the animals talk um, like a human being, that called fables. So let's start the story now. You have understood what is fables? So let's start the story now. You're looking in this picture, the cat is talking. So that is what fables. Okay, let's start it. There was a cat who was giving the mice big problem. You know mice is what? If one rat or one mouse, but if there is more than one rat or mouse, what we say? Mice. Okay, so there was one cat and she was giving a big problem to the rat or mice. What was the problem? It was catching and eating many of the mice daily. Daily the cat was eating and catching and eating mice every day, many mice. Okay. Very sadly, the poor mice would say, "What can we do? What can we do?" Okay, they were thinking about that. They were very sad and thinking, "Oh, now every day cat comes and she eats us. So what to do? So what can we do? What can we do?" They were all very sad and unhappy. One day, one of the older mice called a meeting. He said, "We must find some way to solve our problem." What was the problem? Problem was that the cat was eating mice every day. So this was the problem and they called a meeting about this. You know, meeting in which we talk about the thing. So they called a meeting, our older mice called a meeting about that. So what to do about that? How can we keep that hungry cat from catching any more us? They were thinking about that, how we can make us save, because he was coming and catching and eating. Each one in the meeting talked and talked. As we do in the meeting, what we if we have any problem, what we do? We talk, and we try to get the solution of that. But none could think of any good way to solve the problem. Means nobody means got the any good idea to solve this problem. But At last, a little mouse stood up. He said, I know what to do. What he said? I know what to do. A little mouse stood up and said, I know what to do. So then what happened? The all mice said what? Tell us quickly. Means they became very happy that what he has got the idea. They said what? Tell us quick. Tell us quick. Shouted all others. Then what the little mouse said? Hey, hello, stop shouting and listen me. The cat make noise, no noise when it comes. What he said? Do you know when the cat comes in our house even, we cannot listen that cat is coming. She comes very quietly. It is so quiet when she comes. It comes quietly and catches one of us. What he said? When he comes, okay, it is so quiet. It comes quietly and catches one of us. We can't hear any sound of its paw. Paw means is what? Here is paws. Means the leg of his cat. Panja. That is paw. Okay. So they were what the little mouse said that when the cat comes, okay, she does not make any noise. She comes quietly and catches one of us. We can't hear any sound of its paw. The little mouse said, I think. He got the idea. He said, one idea I had. What he said? I think we should put a bell. What? Put a bell around the cat's neck. Thus, we can hear when it comes. We can then easily run for cover. Look, it is a good idea he has got that if the cat, if we put a bell around the means a bell around the cat's neck, then what will happen? When the cat will come and it will bell, then everybody can alert and can run for cover. So this was his idea. Then other one said what? How wise, what a good idea. How wise, shouted one. We all are saved, shouted another. We will put a bell on the cat, shouted all the others. All the mice began to shout with joy. They were very happy to listen this idea that to put a bell around the cat's neck. This was a good idea, and after getting this idea to heard this idea, all became very happy and they shouted. They shout with joy. But among them, there was a quite old mouse. There was an old mouse. He was silently listening to everything. Then what he did, he stood up and looked at the little mouse. Yes, that is a good idea, he said. A bell on the cat. Yes, a bell on the cat. This is a good idea, but just tell me who will bell this cat? What he said? Tell me who will bell this cat, the cat. At once, the room became all quiet. After listening this, means who will do this? All became quiet because it was very dangerous. You know, putting a bell on the cat neck by the rat. Is it possible? No. So it was very dangerous. So all became quiet. Yes, tell us, who will bell the cat? Tell me, he said. Everyone looked at the little mouse. What happened? Because the little mouse said this idea. So what happened? Everyone looked at the little mouse. Not eyes. Then what happened? He said, not I. Means, I will not bear. He said what? Not I, said the little mouse, and ran out of the room. Bhagya. What he did? He ran out of the room. Not I, said another, and ran out of the room. Not I, said the third, and ran out of the room. One by one, all the mice ran out of the room. No one who was ready to bail the cat. This was the story. Okay, all ran out from the room. Means no one was ready to bail the bail the cat. So what was the moral of this story? It is easier said than done. Means बोलना आसान है, करना मुश्किल है. It is easier said than done. This was the story. It was a nice story. Write the question answer. I have made you understand what is the story, and you have understood the story also. Read it more time from your book also, and make your question answer. Thank you. Bye bye.